Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Yenny Adequaju. I am a content creator and a life coach. Join the squad, join the community, like let's have fun. So in today's video, I'm going to be filming, it's gonna be kind of vlog stylish. I'm gonna be filming what I eat in a day because I thought why not just share that, give you guys some easy tips like that you can also use to like meal prep or cook. I tend to meal prep a lot usually. I've wanted to film this video for a while, but because I tend to meal prep a lot, it's hard to show that because most of my meals are kind of meal pre-prepped. I'm going to be meal prepping, so I'll kind of show you guys what I eat in a day, what that kind of looks like. I usually will eat the same thing 4 days in a row. I don't mind at all. And then I have to switch it up, but that helps me stay on track and things like that. And then I'm just like not spending as much money out. I'm like making sure I'm cooking my meals so I know what's going into my body, what I'm eating. So let me stop rambling and let's just get into this video. So I'm gonna start off breakfast with coffee. So usually I eat in the morning, but I'm doing a little bit of a fast currently till 12. And this isn't for a health reason or anything like that. This is just like personal preference right now. So I'm not eating till about 12, but this morning I decided to make myself a mushroom coffee, as you guys will see. And I really enjoy having this mushroom coffee because it's like, it's not as like strong as the regular coffee I have. And so it helps me just like focus and gives me a little bit of like a push till about 12, which is when I tend to eat now. What I did afterwards was I went to the gym, I worked out, came home, and then I made myself breakfast. I guess you could call it lunch, but I'm calling it breakfast because it's my first official meal of the day. I'm gonna make a scrambled egg. So I have some spinach over here, bell peppers, tomatoes, green onions, and then some hot Italian sausages. So what I'm gonna do is just like cook that in a pan right now, and then later on transfer it over into my egg. I like to put these spices into my meal, and then on a separate pan I'm gonna go ahead and put my eggs in there.
Bring anything to this party that I don't already have myself, and in fact people are bringing shit I don't want to this party, people that I did. So what oh, I still got it. I'm attracting unavailable men because my father was emotionally unavailable. Although
this is what my breakfast looks like. I just have a slice of multigrain toast, and I just put some Nando's hot sauce on top of my scrambled eggs, and I'm about to go devour this. Yes, yes, yes. I should be a chef or whatever. I'm joking, guys. I don't enjoy being in the kitchen much, but a girl can cook. Let's just say that. It's about, I want to say 4:30. It's about 4:30 right now, and it's time for me to have some lunch because I'm feeling hungry and I should eat before I just keep working away. So I'm gonna make myself some lunch, and for lunch I think I'm going to do some, what am I gonna do? Lately I've been craving For lunch, what I'm gonna be doing is making myself some polenta lasagna. I think that's how you say it. I'll show you guys how I make it, but yeah, I'm gonna be having some polenta lasagna. I actually love it so much, and I learned this recipe from a very good friends of mine, mom. So I learned this from my boyfriend's mom. She always makes it. Well, she doesn't always make it, but here and there she'll make it. And when I go over for supper, it's so delicious. And at first they were like, oh, you're not gonna like it, Yenny. And I was like, let me just try it. And I did, and I freaking love it. And I went to the Italian store, bought some polenta. And so I'm gonna make myself some polenta lasagna. And then I think for supper, I'll check back in with you for supper what I'm gonna have. Yeah, so remember how I said I was gonna go meal prep? I don't have time to do that, and that's not gonna happen till a couple hours from now because I have a phone call to jump on. So what I'm gonna have now is some baked beans. I'm gonna show it to you. It doesn't look that great, don't judge it, but this is what I eat in a day video, so I have to be honest and show you guys what it is. So having some baked beans right now because I just need something to like quickly eat. And then also what I'm gonna have is I'm gonna have some chocolate, cookies and cream, because I want to, like, yeah, because I want to. Is it healthy? No. Do I care? No. So it's not the end of the world. And I believe in 80-20. Like, I'm all about balance. I'm big on balance. I'm not about restrictions or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna have my chocolate in peace, and then I'm gonna make myself a quick tea, and then after my call I will continue on with this what I eat in a day video. I just got off the call and I'm about to like meal prep slash make dinner. Guys, this is what I eat in a day. I feel like it's not going according to plan. Like time just kind of got ahead of me, but that's what happens sometimes when you're just, yeah, this is just the reality. This is like the truth. This is the reality. But I was in an amazing call and I'm so excited, and yeah, it was just such a beautiful call with a bunch of like other women as well doing what I'm doing, and or things similar to me, not the exact same thing but similar, and we're all just empowering each other that way. So yeah, I was on that call for a little while, and now I'm gonna make dinner. But before I make dinner, I'm so freaking hungry. I made myself cake yesterday. It's called a German cake. I kind of botched it a little bit, but it still tastes good. I kind of didn't follow the step-by-step like instruction or whatever, so yeah, I botched it, but it still tastes good. I'm just prepping some of like my meal prep ingredients right now, so I'm going to just eat my cake really quickly because I'm so hungry and I feel shaky and I can't think. So I'm gonna have that right now. It's a chocolate cake, and then it has the it has like coconut and pecan as like the topping. It's so freaking delicious. I'm making the jollof rice right now, and what I like to do, guys, first of all, none of you guys come for me. My jollof rice is not perfect. This is like how I like to have it. I feel like I need to have a disclaimer, but this is how I like to make mine. I know there's various methods, but this is just how I like to make mine. Don't come for me. So I'm gonna start off with some onions and then garlic right at the bottom, and then ginger over there. I'm gonna put that in my pan. This has been marinating like over 8 hours, so I usually like to marinate my chicken for a while to get that flavor in, that juiciness in, you know what I mean? Yikes. So this over here is gonna be going next in there. I have about 2 cans that I'm gonna put in there. I just ran into an issue and I don't have enough rice for my mixture, and I'm just going to put some spaghetti inside and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna use up the spaghetti I have. It's a brown rice spaghetti. I've never made spaghetti like jollof flavor, so yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna go. I feel like it's gonna turn out well, but we'll see how this goes. So I thought, why not just get started as well with my second meal, because usually I would have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and today was just like a later day, so the spaghetti's cooking. And I thought, why not just get started with my polenta? So if you guys are like, what the hell is polenta? This is what it looks like. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, essentially corn. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see this properly. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna slice this up and kind of use it as lasagna. And right now what I'm doing is making the sauce for my lasagna. And I'm gonna start off again with some onions and garlic. Like, I cook a lot with onions and garlic. I'm gonna start with onions and garlic and then put in my ground beef in, and what else? Add some spices, obviously put the pasta sauce, toss it in the oven, cook it for half an hour. If you hear any noise, it's because my dishwasher is going, and I had a lot of dishes piled up and I just kind of wanted to get it going. Myself a Greek salad over here. This is what this looks like. I can't wait to eat this. I'm so hungry, and I like to include like a form of veggie into my meals as well, because vegetables are good for you. Don't sleep on your vegetables. So I'm gonna be having this tonight. My spaghetti's done and my chicken's done. I can't wait to have this. I'm so excited. Will this focus? Focus for me? Yeah? Okay. No? Okay. And I have a feeling that's gonna be it for tonight. Who knows, I might get a little snackish later on, but I'll check in back later with you guys. I'm just waiting for my other meal to cook in the oven, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. This is what the finished product looks like. It looks so delicious. Guys, it's been such a long day for me today. Like, today was just a full day, jam-packed with like things to do. It is currently 8:46. I think I'm gonna try and have an early night in because I need it and I'm tired. Like, I'm honestly tired. But yeah, that is it for this video. I know I didn't end up eating 3 meals just because the day just kind of got out of hand, but this sometimes happens, and this is why I like to meal prep. Then that way I have food already and I can just eat and I'm not missing any meals at all. But that is it for my what I eat in a day / like meal prep with me / like I don't even know. But that is it for this video. If you've enjoyed it and you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know down below. I had a lot of fun filming this. Maybe I'll probably film another one of this in the future where I'm actually like I'm actually eating like 3 meals a day, because like I didn't eat till later because I was fasting and yada yada yada, which I explained at the beginning of this vlog. But yeah, that is it for this video. Your girl's gonna go take her makeup off and journal and go to bed. Like, I think it's gonna be an early night in, and just let myself rest so tomorrow I can wake up nice and early and like be on it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed and you've made it to this point, what are you doing? Like, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.